Why can I only do static simulations in SOLIDWORKS Connected?
Hello there and welcome to Hitchhiker's Guide to 3D Experience. My name is Christoffer. I'm a certified SOLIDWORKS expert and an elite application engineer with a passion for the 3D Experience platform. In this video we will have a look at the simulation tools available in SOLIDWORKS Connected and in SOLIDWORKS Desktop.
The good old SOLIDWORKS Desktop solution offers a wide range of add-on products for simulation. The SOLIDWORKS Simulation Standard, Professional and Premium packages allows you to do structural analysis on your CAD model through finite element analysis. SOLIDWORKS Flow Simulation lets you simulate liquid or gas flowing through and around your CAD model using computational fluid dynamics. SOLIDWORKS Plastics simulates injection molding, and SOLIDWORKS Motion lets you perform motion studies on your designs. But what about with SOLIDWORKS Connected? Well, up until the 2024 GA release, the only SOLIDWORKS simulation product available for SOLIDWORKS Connected was the 3D Experience SOLIDWORKS Simulation Designer role, which allowed for the user to do static structural analysis studies. This role is included with the 3D Experience SOLIDWORKS Premium role, so this setup kind of matches the desktop version of SOLIDWORKS Premium, which also includes static simulation studies. But since the FD1 platform update, it's been possible to connect a SOLIDWORKS Simulation Standard, Professional or Premium license to your SOLIDWORKS Connected installation, and hereby unlocking more advanced simulation capabilities. And also with the following FD2 update, the setup and activation of the SOLIDWORKS Simulation and SOLIDWORKS Motion licenses was integrated directly into the installer for SOLIDWORKS Connected, and hereby making it even easier for any user to get going with the simulation setup, so to say. We are, however, still lacking support for the rest of the SOLIDWORKS simulation product portfolio at the moment, like SOLIDWORKS Flow Simulation and SOLIDWORKS Plastics, but these will most likely be supported in one of the FD updates to come this year. And until then, there is of course always the option to go with one of the Simulia roles instead. The Simulia roles offers the same capabilities as SOLIDWORKS Flow Simulation and Plastics, but with even more complex simulation studies than the SOLIDWORKS simulation products are capable of. So that's definitely worth checking out as well.
Alright, that's it for now. If you made it all the way through, please leave a comment if you have anything else you would like to see covered in a future video, like where did e-drawings go in SOLIDWORKS Connected, for example, or anything else, just let me know. Also, if you haven't yet, go check out my previous video on working offline in SOLIDWORKS Desktop and SOLIDWORKS Connected. And be sure to look out for the next video covering the disappearance of PhotoView 360 in SOLIDWORKS Connected. Ooh, exciting. Thanks for now. See you next time.